When you hit a stage in your professional trajectory, when you can see really clearly where it is that you are headed, and you're excited about that trajectory and you're excited about where you're going, and you recognize on some level that you're holding yourself back, but you don't quite know how, that's usually the time that you want to reach out to a leadership coach, because what leadership coaches do is partner with you to be your fiercely loving, compassionate mirror to show you and reflect back to you all the blind spots that you have in your awareness that's keeping you from closing the gap between where you are now and where you want to go. In reality, us humans, we're pretty limited in what we're aware of, and that's just the nature of human consciousness. So there's going to be a lot of things that we know, great. There's going to be a lot of things that we don't know, great. And when we know what we don't know, we can close those gaps on our own. But when we can't access the stuff that we don't know, that's when it's time to partner with a leadership coach to help you discover all those things that you don't know about what it's going to take to get to that end point, that desired state in your professional trajectory. So when you're ready to do the work and you're ready to go inward, when you're ready to find those blind spots and deconstruct them and take on new habits and new behaviors in order to close that gap, that's the time you want to reach out.